Rich, perfformiad calonogol gan dy dîm heno. Siomedig bod chi'n mynd i rhywbeth allan o'r gêm na?
Yeah, definite. Nes i critiseisio gyfi wrth dwytha. Achos o'n i'n teimlo bod nhw'n heiddi yna, achos doedd o ddim i'r fyny'r safona da ni wedi greu drwy season a heno o'n i'n meddwl bod ni wych. Ac o'n i eisiau reaction mewn ffordd, ac eisiau'r work rate na'r desire na, ac eisiau hynna i gyd heno, ac ia, fel dwi'n cytuno. Da ni wedi cael chances heno lle ar diwrnod arall, maen nhw'n mynd i fewn, ditio par a bod ddim, so nath ni eisiau mynd ar y front foot, o gynnu ni'n byd i golli. A ia, o'n i'n meddwl bod ni'n heiddi pwynt, os nhw'n llonost.
Ia, gol gynta iddyn nhw, oeddech chi lawr i 10 oedd Matty Jones di gadael y cae i gael triniaeth ac nhw'n manteisio.
Ia, mae di creu bach o confusion efo roles and responsibilities ni, mae'n siŵr wedyn pwy sy'n fynd allan yn i'r short a mae rhywbeth bach fel yn gallu llecho ni, ond eto dwi'n meddwl bod mae di ddod o hedyn o'r second phase a da ni just i switch off achos bod ni'n siŵr be da ni wedi gwneud. So, siomedig fe hwnna wedyn yr ail gol eto, os rhywbeth da ni'n rhy onest, mae pobl yn trio gwneud jobsys pobl eraill, lle sticio i be maen nhw fod i wneud a dynio nhw. A wedyn, so mae'r ddau gol yn avoidable os dwi'n holl siomedig efo hynna, ond dyna dy'r unig beth, da ni'n siomedig fe bod ni'n dod yn byd o'n neud, dwi'n mynd debu adra fo ni, achos rhan perfformiad oedd o wych.
Ia, ac ar y llaw arall gol gyda chi eich hunan, oedd yn gol wych ar y groesiad wych, ond y symudiad na gan Brad Young, dangos faint o chwaraewr ydi o. Ac mae'n siŵr bod ti'n braf gol dog ar y gol gyntaf i'r glwb?
Yndi, y definite a, ia, dwi'n meddwl bod hwnna'n hyb mawr iddo fo fyd lle, achos mae wedi bod eisiau yna, sy'n byd gwaith yna, centre forward na, di'r gyntaf na ddim yn dod lle. So, ond ia, chwarae teg, y movement a wedyn y composure i orffan i fel nath o, oedd yn ffantastig lle. Ia, gobeithio wneud i'n cael corna ma'n hwn.
Craig, difficult evening tonight. Caernarfon took you right to the end.
Yeah, they did. Yeah, they did. We always knew it was going to be difficult. You know, obviously, Fisher's made a point in publicly asking questions about their team last week and criticising them. So you expect a reaction. They've got good players, so we knew there would be a reaction. And it was a little bit too close for my liking. I think better finishing. We might have. You know, the last 15-20 minutes of the game was really stretched. We had opportunities to kill the game off. At 2-1, we all know what can happen. You know, unfortunately, our lads defended really well in seeing the game out. So, really pleased, certainly, especially because of the injuries and playing people out of position. You know, Owen Farrell's done a great job forward centre-back where he's not a centre-back. You know, Jack Edwards has been fantastic in goal again. I thought Harrison Mackay was fantastic as our only centre-half fit today. You know, obviously Jack Bodnam got a bit of an injury yesterday in training. You know, Ryan Brobble in training this week as well. Both had impact injuries. So, yeah, it's been good that we've won the game.
Danny, games running out now for the end of the season. How crucial were those 3 points this evening against a tough Caernarfon Town team?
Yeah, doing massive. You know, the main thing was tonight that we won. You know, I don't think we played our best tonight. You know, Caernarfon made it difficult for ourselves, and you know they were in it to the last kick of the game there. I thought the lads defended well, and as you say, the main thing is the 3 points. Yeah,
prior to last week, you've been out yourself, you know, for a few weeks, and pleasing tonight to get your first league goal of the season.
Yeah, definitely. You know, it's never nice being injured, you know, out for a while, but you know, to be back on the pitch, I've been playing left back a little bit, and yeah, today I was pushed into midfield, and I found myself in the box, and thankfully it felt nice for me.
Yeah, and prior to that next league game against Caernarfon, it's all a matter of a League Cup final.
It is, yeah, it is, and we're looking forward to it, you know. And the other one, really pleased with as well is Ben Wilson getting another goal. So that's 2 and 3. You know, he's come on, substitute twice, scored one against Penabont, the 6th goal, then he starts tonight and scores another goal. So, and he looked really lively. So really pleased for Ben as well because he's had an injury, then he's had to wait his turn. So yeah, it's really pleasing overall, and really pleased with the lads that have come in and done a fantastic job when the squad's been stretched.